Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and turn those notifications on so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Now this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So let's get into it, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning. We have the Dow futures up 0.3%, S&P 500 futures up 0.07%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.3%. Investors are keeping a close eye on a U.S. pipeline that fell victim to a cyber attack. The Colonial Pipeline Company shut down on Sunday after a ransomware attack was detected. Now, the company ships gasoline and jet fuel through 5,500 miles of pipeline, serving over 50 million customers. The timeline for the pipeline reopening will have a big impact on different fuel prices. The U.S. Department of Energy has awarded American Axle & Manufacturing Holdings $5 million as part of its initiative to fund research projects that advance transportation. The funding will go towards enhancing the development of the Detroit company's next-generation electric drive technology. Electric Drive by American Axle, or AAM, is an amalgam of electric propulsion solutions that can be scaled for use in all types of hybrid and battery electric vehicles, from SUVs to low-cost mini cars. AAM will leverage the cooperative agreement funds to enhance the development of the low-cost, high-performance, heavy rare earth 3-in-1 electric drive unit. The electric drive unit under development will integrate power electrics with its electric motor and gearbox. Consequently, it will achieve high power density performance and cost competitiveness. The American Axle stock does currently come in as a moderate sell with a nearly 3% downside potential, with the most recent ratings coming in 3 days ago. We will see if this $5 million news sparks any new price targets. Reinsurance and insurance solutions provider RenaissanceRe Holdings has declared a quarterly dividend of 36 cents per share. The dividend is payable on June 30th to investors of record on June 15th. Furthermore, RenaissanceRe has renewed its authorized share repurchase program. The renewal brings the present total authorization to $500 million. The RenaissanceRe Holdings stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 17.5%. Global investment firm KKR has agreed to invest in specialty film producer Charter Next Generation. Charter Next Generation, or CNG's products, are used in flexible packaging, industrial, healthcare, and consumer industries. The company's products help keep food fresh for a longer duration and also maintain the lowest carbon footprint among major packaging substrates. Furthermore, CNG's specialty films enable recycling and composting. In addition to protecting food, they're used in healthcare and industrial applications as well. The KKR stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of nearly 9%. Now, taking a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer this morning, which is Protogenic Therapeutics. Under the ticker PTIX, they are currently up 21.5%. Followed by Semileds Corp under LEDS, who's up 20%, and Acutus Medical under AFIB, currently up 15%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Sologenics. Under the ticker SNGX, they're currently down 23%. Followed by LM Funding America under LMFA, currently down nearly 11%. And Sanmya Technology Limited under AIHS, currently down 8%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with electric truck company Nikola, who reported a first quarter loss that widened from a year ago, but management continued to sound upbeat about the future. Nikola posted a loss of $120 million, or 14 cents per share on an adjusted basis. That widened from an adjusted loss of 12 cents per share in a similar period last year. Nikola doesn't have a vehicle on the market yet, so it recorded no sales for Q1. However, the company says they're about to start making money. It expects to start selling its battery-powered Nikola Tre trucks in Q4. The stock does come in as a hold with an average upside potential of 68%. The most recent rating coming 3 days ago with a downside of 4%, and our highest price targets from 2 months ago would be 160% upside potential. And we also heard from Cigna, a company that operates in the healthcare sector, providing various healthcare insurance solutions. They reported strong first quarter results despite facing pandemic challenges that increased their costs. They also raised their 2021 revenue and profit forecast. They posted adjusted earnings per share of $4.73 on adjusted revenue of $41 billion. That compared to adjusted earnings per share of $4.69 and revenue of $38.4 billion in the same period last year. Their earnings per share also beat Wall Street estimates of $4.37. The results would have been even better if not for the extra costs the company incurred in relation to the pandemic. They also returned $2.8 billion to shareholders in Q1 through their stock repurchase program. The Cigna stock does currently come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of 6%. Also this morning, we're expecting earnings reports from the Workhorse Group and Trade Desk. In the after hours today, we're expecting to hear earnings reports from Novavax, Occidental Petroleum, and Virgin Galactic. So that is Monday morning's pre-market update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before the opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.